If you want to lock apps on a Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we should be able to proceed to Apps. And then over here in Apps, we can find the App Locker. So we're gonna go over here. We need to enter our password in order to continue. And then we can choose apps that we wish to lock. So let's say I'm gonna choose Facebook over here and Instagram. There we go. And now we can also go to lock settings, and you can choose to either use the same password that you use on your phone, so the screen lock password, or you can set up a privacy password. It's up to you which one you prefer to use. You can also choose when apps should be locked. Now if I try to open any of these apps, then as you can see, I have to provide the password or use biometrics. Of course, in this case, I can use biometrics simply because I use the same password that I use for my phone. So the screen lock password. Leave a like and subscribe.